We're very fortunate we've got Manx Utilities in this morning. Ian Horsey's come in and members of his team over the next 4 weeks talking about the distribution network, what their role is, introducing what he does and potential employment opportunities for students in the future.
Today we've got Manx Utilities in speaking to us about everything that they do with underground cabling, so they're just giving us a bit of a help a day to see what we can be doing in the future.
So the aim of being here today is we're trying to look for the engineers of the future and inspire them to come and take up a career in electricity distribution. We're looking at giving them an overview of what their opportunities are, and we're going to be doing some practical learning with them over the next 3 weeks where they get to try their hands at different skills and the different techniques we use for building things and testing stuff on the high voltage networks.
They're also going to talk about actual jointing cables and have a practical demonstration of how to joint a cable, and also talk about the high tension poles, the stress and strains that are on those, and they're going to set up a demonstration to actually build one.
Traditionally, people can just going straight off to further education and from school and doing all that. They miss that opportunity to find out what's available locally and what opportunities are there.
We have an industry based, especially for the manufacturing sector, that will go out into industry and have that link between what we're trying to achieve here with the student skill level and what industry needs. So that link, they can see potential employment opportunities in the different companies on the island and where their aspirations lie.
More and more people, I think, doing their learning, their additional learning while they're working is a benefit to them and to the employers at the same time, because you're getting the right people who you can train while they're doing their learning, and you get a more rounded individual at the back of it who's actually ready to start work and can contribute to the organisation at the time.
Being able to see where I could be in the future is always good, because otherwise I wouldn't really know where I'm going with it.
It's good because they tell you everything about what actually happens in the real world, because you don't know unless you go to all these places and hear from the people that have done it.
We have our level 3 and level 2 students in second years, so they'll be looking to get employed by the end of the year.